First thing I'm gonna do is look at the end grain. You can see the way that the growth rings on the tree grew, and so you want to put a pencil line on there that goes with the growth rings. So you do that for each one of them. This one goes this way. This one goes this way. And this one goes this way. Okay. What you need to make sure you have is you have alternating. Zoom in on that. You need to make sure you have alternating. One frown, one smile. One frown, one smile. Okay, that's going to make sure that the board stays as flat as possible. One might cup one way, one's going to cup the other way, and overall you'll have the flattest board possible. So when you glue it up, I want to make sure this is on the outside, so I'm going to put this one out here. That's a frown, so I need to make this a smile. Okay, frown and smile. Okay, smile, frown, smile, frown. Okay, then what we're going to do is we're going to put a big triangle on here that indicates to us when we go to glue it up that this is how it goes together. Okay, now I need to address each of these edges when they come together. These were cut on the table saw, but I'm not sure if the table saw was perfectly square. So I'm going to write on here in, out, in, out, in, out. I'm going to go over to the joiner, and when I join this edge, this one's going to be in against the fence. Okay, the next one is going to be out against the fence, facing out against me. Okay, if the fence on the joiner is out by a degree, we're alternating the way that we're doing that so we have a perfectly flat glue up. And that's the way we're going to do that. So I'm going to take all of these over to the joiner. Okay, you can stop that one there.